Hi everybody. Today we will learn how to find out mean class frequency. The question is, the following frequency distribution shows the price per share of the 30 companies in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Price per share and number of companies. It is a table which contains pr price per share one column and another column is for number of companies. Here we are seeing that the first class is 0 to 9, frequency is 4. Second class 10 to 19, frequency 5. Third class 20 to 29, frequency 7. In this way, the last class is 90 to 99 and frequency is 1. Sum of the frequency is equal to 30 because 30 companies are included here. Their shares ranges between 0 to 99 dollar. Now we will find class meet, every meet of a class. If I want to find out the median of a class, that is midpoint of first class equals to 0 plus 9 divided by 2, that is average of the class boundaries. Similarly, midpoint of second class equal to 10 plus 19 divided by 2, that is 14.5. In this way we will find for all the class midpoints. This look like the class midpoint and the frequency 4.5 frequency 4, 14.5 frequency 5, 64.5 frequency 0, all are same. Frequencies are same, but the class midpoints are find out and written in this manner. Now we find out the mean for this class. Mean equals to 4.5 into 4 plus 14.5 into 5 plus 24 into 5, 24.5 into 7. In this way all class midpoints and frequencies are multiplied and we get this summation of class midpoint into frequency, class midpoint into frequency, class midpoint into frequency, all are divided by total frequency, and what we get 33.5. It is the mean for the class. Yeah, we need to find out mean of the class. There is nothing but to find out the class midpoints and multiply it with its frequency, then add together and divided by total frequency. Okay, that's all.